Hey, welcome back, first graders. You're here with Math and Mr. Reed. We're going to be going over some of the things we're going to be learning this week in math. So let's go ahead and keep track of some of the things we're learning. A lot of stuff you learned in kindergarten, we're just going to carry it over to first grade and get some bigger numbers going. So first things first, we're going to be working with this week representing numbers 0 to 10. One thing I want you to be focusing in on this week is making pictures of those numbers. So in each of these, we can just go ahead and count. Let's go ahead and just do our numbers together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and always, let's go ahead and do our number line. Zero, always start at 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and at the very end, 10. If ever you're having trouble figuring out the quantity of these numbers right here, I want you to go back and focus on this number line, just match it up. 0, nothing there. 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. Be sure to use your number line all the way to 10, as it'll help make sure that you have the right amount when you're representing. Remember, representing, you're just going to be showing that amount of the number with a picture form. This is what we're working on this week. Also, we're going to be bringing back that Make 10 that we used to work with in kindergarten. And remember, the Make 10, if it's filled all the way up, it makes 10. If it's not, well, then we just count how many are filled up in there. So I'd say there's 1, and all we have to do is count it, right? So let's do it together really quickly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Do these spaces matter if it's in there? Well, it's not the prettiest, but they don't really matter. We just skip over them and keep counting, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Be remembering those Make 10s, number lines, and making sure representing numbers, showing the pictorial form, a picture form of them as we're going throughout this week. Hope you enjoy.